I will read it to you people. Where he said, this is his caption. Sorry, I have to remove this. This is Lanre Gentry's caption. And if you see Lanre Gentry, this is Mercy Aigbe's former husband. This man. This is the wife of Ade, the man that Mercy Aigbe snatched. This is the man. This is Mercy Aigbe's ex-husband. This is the wife, and this is Mercy Aigbe. Now look at what Lanre Gentry wrote. At last, he wrote this yesterday. At last, I thank God the truth is out. This is just one of many. To God be the glory. I don't need anyone's comment, please. And this was because he closed his comment section so that trolls will not come and troll him. Are you making sense for me? Do you remember this man is Mercy Aigbe's husband, ex-husband? This is the man she got married to now. Now, this picture was snapped when Mercy Aigbe was still married to this man. Now, where am I coming from? Where I'm coming from is that Lanre Gentry was also married to somebody. He was actually in this country, this island that we are in. When Mercy Aigbe will go home, he built a hotel. Do you understand? His family, they are here. He will go home. That's how he met when Mercy was still, you know, she just had a child. She was a nobody. And he started dating Mercy Aigbe. That is this Lanre Gentry. That he's now writing, for me, rubbish on his platform, on Instagram. For me, he's now writing rubbish on his platform. Are you making sense? He started dating Mercy Aigbe. Now so Mercy Aigbe snatched this stupid Lanre Gentry from the wife here in Ireland, this island. Wife, like the way this this man has children. Sorry, Emma Binu. I'm always jumping. The same way this recent one that she snatched has children. That's the same way Lanre Gentry too had children with the wife that they struggled from scratch. So that's why I'm saying he should shut up. That's how he was carrying Mercy Aigbe up and down. I'm sure they will be wondering, how did I know? I don't talk to the wife here, but I know him. I don't talk to him neither. He has a hotel in Nigeria. He was very rich then. And that's why Mercy Aigbe followed him. He was spending money on Mercy Aigbe. He was, you know, he then abandoned his wife and his children here. When he abandoned them, as a matter of fact, there's something that we told, because something even terrible happened at one point when the daughter, the first daughter, went to visit him, and they put that girl in the hotel, and he was more occupied with Mercy. He abandoned. Very useless man. No, this Lanre Gentry. Very useless man. Very useless. So I don't even want him to talk at all, because he himself, they snatched him from a woman. So if there's anybody that should cast the first stone, Lanre Gentry shouldn't even cast any stone, because he's useless. He's irresponsible. He's very irresponsible, because he left his wife and his children for Mercy. So now, on writing what he wrote on his Instagram, as if, oh, you know, he was saying to us, the wife lives in Ireland. Yes. You know, he was saying to us then, you know, for those of you that understand when he was crying woof, woof, Oh, Mercy is a prostitute. As they are married, she still Aigbe, she still Aigbe, she still fornicating, committing adultery up and down. I cannot doubt it, because come to think of it, if somebody you are a family friend to, the wife, yourself, and Mercy and the husband snapped with somebody, then later on we wake up, you actually wed this guy Nikai in December. Am I making sense? Then you understand what I'm trying to come out with here is that every other thing Lanre Gentry is saying, even though he's a useless man, come to think of it, it is true. Because if you people were family friends and you are like this, you know the wife like this, you have snapped as two couples together like this, then you now, it is that person that you now went to where Wasiu was now praising you people. You know, birds of the same feather flock together. You went for Wasiu party where they did whites. You understand? Because Wasiu can do the same. He was praising them. Because normally, if you are the type that knows that what Mercy has done is bad, you are not supposed to praise Mercy. I'm not pitying Lanre Gentry now. I am pitying the real wife. This is the real wife. As you people can see her. This is Mercy now. The latest wife to this man, whom they said going to Nigeria. This woman, in history, we are told, suffered with this new man. Just like Bimbo's case. People remember Bimbo's case. The same way he's a producer of movie. They even said he's a shareholder, stakeholder in Mbaka TV. Mbaka TV. I can't, please, sorry. Pardon me if I don't tell me Wasiu's a musician, is doing his job. No, don't tell me that. Please, allow me, Dangote Ibrahim, let me say my mind. Please, I have every right to say anything. It's my platform. Don't tell me Wasiu's a musician. No, don't say that. We know what is happening. What is not good is not good. So because you are a musician, you should be spoiling the world. Don't say that, please. Ibaka TV, yes. Ibaka TV, yes. You know, a lot of times, many of these people, they lack integrity. They lack what? Integrity. This particular guy, they said the same way he too brought money to Nigeria and is promoting. And you will find out that a lot of them, he would have slept with many of them. Just like the same way, that guy too, Bimbo, she snatched, Dudu Heritage, slept with almost all of them that were reigning that time. But Bimbo, she was the luckiest one to marry him. Then from there, he went from grace to grass. That is what eventually ends all of them. That's what will happen too. I'm not praying for that, but I know. Because when you see the way things happen, look at how it goes. You will eventually see that at the end, eventually, they will come down. So Lanre Gentry started crying wolf to all of us that what a thing, what's her name? Mercy is a prostitute. He's messing around. He's Sheikh Bada. You people should not come here and take side with Wasiu. Please, I don't want anybody coming here to take side with Wasiu or any musician. Please, you people should get out of here. If you want to take side with Wasiu, go to Wasiu's platform and take side with him. Nobody should take side with Wasiu here. Ekorain song. Let me say my mind, please. Again, sorrow me, please. Nobody should come here and be taking side with anybody. Any musician that I feel that added to the matter, I abuse you, all of you join. Please, get out, please. Let me tame my mind. Song, as I was saying, now, Larry Gentry was crying woo for all of us. Was crying woo for all of us. We was crying woof for all of us. And I was crying woof. Don't mind them. I don't know why they are mentioning Wasiu's name on and on. That's how they want to divert my chat. If your loyalty is to Wasiu, go to his platform and go and do loyalty. Then let me say my own mind here. I saw a show where he was praising these people, and I felt, oh, why? You must have known the first wife. Why are you people doing like this? First wife will come to you people's show. Next thing, you people will be praising second wife, praising girlfriend. I bet people should get away from here. If you are for anybody, please just go. Let me talk my mind. Kilo day. Do I come to people's platform to come and be telling them that, no, don't say your mind? Let me say my mind, John Tori Olon, leave me. Oh, then pariwo Wasiu kilo kan mi pẹ̀lú Wasiu ẹ jẹ́ n sọ tèmi. I saw Wasiu praising them, and I think, no. Why are you praising this woman with another woman when the man has a wife? It's what I saw. I don't know what the relationship is, but I know that at least all the first wife, all of them, all the first wives, many of them. Now, so all these musicians, all these wicked musicians, when they carry small wife there, the musician will start praising them with the latest wife. Why? It's so painful. And I'm making mention of that. You people are here shouting, why was he? Well, don't come here and be telling me you're loyal to anybody. People should go. I don't know any of them. I'm only talking my own. Who should go away? The man I mentioned Wasiu Kokombi by Korain somewhere, Koshin down Jari. Sorry, guys, my own people that understand me when I'm doing analysis. As I was saying, so Larry Gentry has been telling us, shouting to all of us that Mercy Aigbe is a prostitute. She's that, she's that. But a lot of us have been seeing what all this. I don't want to call our actress in Ekpo, because it will be unfair if we pack all of them together and it is one person that have done something. Do you understand? Yes, it will be unfair. Eventually, Larry Gentry and Mercy Aigbe, they separated. When everybody was pitying Mercy and pitying Larry Gentry, I didn't pity any of them. I didn't pity any of them. Because come to think of it, Mercy destroyed somebody's home. And this Larry Gentry and Mercy, they go to Wasiu's party. They go to all those musicians, maybe Pasuma, they will praise them together. Many of those musicians, Pasuma, Shino Petersio, you know, even our Nigerian musicians, what they do to add to the problem of these homebreakers is large. They will go, all these musicians, all of them, they will praise housewife, they will come and praise girlfriend, they will praise homebreaker in support of the wife that is at home, that is old now, and she's no more, you know, Tasoson, you know, she's no more looking like all this Mercy Aigbe. Then you will not be, you know, you will not be so sad because you that they have praised with your husband before. This Larry Gentry will go to Wasiu's show. Go and look at old videos. Many of them, they will go there. Then Wesley will carry another man to you people's show. You people will still praise them. Making those actresses. That's why they are all doing what they are doing. All these actresses. They do it because they get support from like minds. From like minds. From people like them. Irresponsible, all of them. Eventually, Lanre Gentry and Aigbe, they splitted. I didn't pity them. God knows. I didn't pity the two of them because Lanre Gentry's wife is here with the children. He's here with the children. He went, abandoned the wife, and went to marry Aigbe. Now his money finished because he doesn't have money again. You know that time for you to be hotelier, I think he was doing Omodu too. I don't know. That one out of record, I don't know. The one that I don't know. But he was quick to see money. He didn't stay here. Eventually, after doing all that, to the wife, they scattered. He started disturbing all of us on social media. He started crying. He started crying wolf. People were crying with him. I wasn't. I didn't pity the two of them. But you can tell that Okpon, Aigbe don't chop go. Even rumors had it. How far it is true, I don't know. Because the one way we not see, we not supposed to talk. There was a governor that was tagged to her. Let me even mention his name. He's not a minister of what? Is he works or what's his name? That's Sam Fashola. As a matter of fact, I was even told he was a musician that introduced her to the guy. How far it is true, I don't know. Because there was a time that they said she bought a house. Do you understand? There was a time they said she bought a house. Even gone, let me bust your bubbles. I even heard, I don't know if it is true, that the reason why Ambode and Fashola were at loggerheads was because of Aigbe. Out of record. I don't know. Because the way that money was doing shum that time, is it not this acting that they are doing? Then she went to open a shop in when she was with her husband. She opened the shop at Omole side, but when she left her husband, she went higher. She upgraded, and the husband knows. The husband knows that the truth be told, he knows what he saw and he was saying before they splitted up. This useless Lanre Gentry too went to marry. Did you see the small girl? That one, it's not a curse. I'm sorry if you are related to her. How can you open your eyes and allow your child to go and marry Lanre Gentry just to do pepper them? Just to do pepper them. Somebody is saying not yes, I will tell you why you are saying not Fashola. It was, if you remember that Ambode said